Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. As per usual, no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right now in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This was sent to me by A. Thank you very much, A. That's probably the best area. Can I get into here? Can I just pry this up? Maybe I'm going to have to make a cut off camera. Oh, that's because it's taped down on this side. Professional. Come on now. I can get this. We're just going to cut. And we're just going to rip. What do we got right here? Okay, there we go. We are in. Packed tight. Very tight. Come on now. Oh my gosh. What do we got here? Oh, we have a Spyderco. Okay, wonderful. What do we have in this box? Oh boy. It's the this is the weird one. Okay. So, this is a sprint run of something that was apparently available a long time ago. Where is it? Right here. The Phoenix. Yeah. So, I wanted to look at this because, number one, it's very odd, for sure. The sprint run variant, apparently with these red G10 overlays. One of the confusing factors here was the choice of blade steel VG10, but I also wanted to look at it because I've never experienced this. I've never actually handled a Spyderco with this bolt action lock, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of the same idea as the Manix 2 cage lock, but it's also not the same thing. But it is cool. I mean, it operates exactly how you would imagine, but I like that everything in here is steel and it operates on a coil spring. Honestly, it just looks cool, you know? And I'll tell you guys right off the bat. So, Ergonomics, there's an obvious choke up position. They definitely want you to put your hands up there. They definitely want you, if you're going to transition, they want you to move back here. There's not really an option in between because of how they've got this shaped. This is an oddball. Spyderco is known for oddballs. I think some people will look at this and think, wow, that's super cool. And other people are going to look at it and go, absolutely not. It's very expensive. Most people, I think, will probably be turned off by the price for the VG10, which, believe me, I get. I'll link this guy down below. I don't think it's available anymore, right? But I'm not showing it because I want people to buy it. I'm showing it because I think that it's weird. I think it's interesting. I believe this is all titanium. I believe that the frame is titanium. Was there a note in here? Hang on. Let's see. Boy, this was packed. Yeah, there is a note. Hang on. Let's read the note here real quick. Hey MC, thanks for all the great knife reviews. I enjoy the Spyderco Vele Phoenix. Okay, I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly. This is from Alex. Thank you very much, Alex. All right, good deal. Thank you so much for sending this in. This will be a really fun one to talk about. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's obviously made well. This is, I believe. Oh no, it's Seki City, Japan. Interesting. I thought that this was Taichung, Taiwan. Oh, look, did you hear that? The lock sings a little bit. Listen. It goes ding. Okay, neato. This is weird. Not a full review, guys, for anybody who's new to the channel or new to my unboxings. No, I just like to unbox stuff that I've never handled and kind of give my first impressions. Then I do a full comprehensive review, usually about 20-25 minutes or so, 2 to 3 weeks down the road. So expect to see that in the near future on the channel. I will link this guy, though I don't think you can get it anymore. Maybe you can. I'm not really sure. I'll also link Spyderco knives down below so you can check out some other stuff that they've got going on right now. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.